Hello and welcome back. This is just a short unboxing video on my new camera equipment that I purchased from Jaycar just recently. So yeah, my videos hopefully will be a lot better in future with this new gear. 64 gigabyte SD card and brand new camera. So pop her open, have a nose. Yeah, $94.90 down at Jaycar. The next step. That's what he recommended for my video. So got some better gear. So hopefully our videos will be more quality. Yeah, we'll have more RC gear coming too in future. Maybe more radio controlled cars and trucks and that. So plan to get some of the stuff that's coming out soon at Jaycar before Christmas. So should be interesting. This has got mounts and everything, so I don't have to depend on I shouldn't have to depend on other people so much for helping me with making videos. I can have it all rigged up in a type of mount system. So I've got all this to go over and get jacked up for new videos. So yeah, stay tuned. Hopefully the next videos I do will be heaps better. Yeah, I'm planning to get my my MST chassis all going with the Trans Am and that on, and then I'm gonna do the stealth body mounts and fit maybe a couple other shells on it, and yeah, compare it to the other types of chassis you can get on the market, like ones you can get from Jaycar, whatever brands they're going to be, and I might get a Traxxas one as well to compare the MST brand to Traxxas, and I might be in a few other shells. I'm lining up like a tea bucket that I want to also do candy apple red, you know, to kind of go off the theme of a nice classic 66 Corvette and a tea bucket in the same colour, but yeah, classics. Yeah, so the hobby's coming along, and we should hopefully have some interesting stuff for our subscribers and potential new subscribers. Yeah, please like and subscribe and support the channel. So we've got big plans. Yeah, so over and out.